आगे बढ़ लेते हैं। आपको बता दें कि इजरायल और हमास के बीच लगातार युद्ध चल रहा है। हिजबुल्लाह के ठिकानों पर हवाई हमलों के बाद इजरायली प्रधानमंत्री नेतन्याहू ने कहा कि अंतिम हमला नहीं है। इजरायली पीएम ने दावा करते हुए कहा कि अपने नागरिकों की सुरक्षा के लिए आईडीएफ ने हिजबुल्लाह के हजारों रॉकेट्स को नष्ट किया है। इजरायली पीएम ने कहा कि हिजबुल्लाह अपने रॉकेट का इस्तेमाल इजरायली नागरिकों को निशाना बनाने के लिए करता था।
It can lead to a large-scale war. It can rope in even the countries like United States of America, and already we know that even Iran is gunning for Israel ever since that Yaneh has been killed in Tehran. Since then, we have seen that Iran has been threatening of launching a war on Israel. And on the other hand, we have seen that how the Lebanon is also really concerned ever since one of the top commanders was eliminated in airstrike last month. Then since then, we have seen there had been several rocket attacks on Israel, and today there was a preemptive attack. And Sunday morning, many of their rockets were destroyed. And that's what actually the Benjamin Netanyahu, the Prime Minister of Israel, during the cabinet meeting, he said this is not the story. This is just the beginning, because we have destroyed many of the rockets, because those rockets were intended to target not only citizens but also IDF personnel deployed in the Galilee area. So that's one of the reasons that they are making it clear that if any attack on in Israel soil, that will not be tolerated. They are going to hit them hard where it's going to hurt them most. That's what actually Benjamin Netanyahu was trying to convey. And this, you rightly said that this is going to be a big stumbling block. Already we have seen that international community is trying to make all-out efforts to ensure that at least there should be a ceasefire and all the hostilities need to end in Gaza Strip, because we have seen that had always maintained that these terrorists are using civilian areas to target Israeli forces. That's one of the reasons that many of the civilians are losing their lives